Hello friends. In today's video we will learn how to create a signature for our Gmail. Let's begin the video. First of all, go to the settings, all settings. Here scroll down to bottom. You will see signature, right? Here you can see that there is a button create new, click on it. Here you will write the name for your signature because sometimes we have 2 3 signatures and we are using different signatures to address different emails. That will make easy for us to choose a separate signature for a particular email. Let's say we are giving it a name signature just sign 01 create. Now here is the portion where you can write whatever you like in your signature. Here, for example, says, and we may add an image also. Okay, you have to adjust it. Small. We can edit the text like we may make it bold. If we want, we can change the size, making it bold. I want to make the color a slightly different. Just for letting you know that you may have changes in your signature. Okay. Okay. Go down and press save changes. Now let's try to compose one email. Here you can see that there is a pen button, insert signature. Click over here. We have created the signature with the name sign 1. So I click over here and in this way my signature has been inserted. You don't need to type all of your details again and again. If you want that this signature appears automatically, we will go to all settings again. Signature defaults. For new emails, I am selecting this sign. Now again save the changes. When you compose, the signature will appear here automatically. If you like today's video, press the thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.